It is our great honor to introduce TE-FOOD company and our track and trace solutions using blockchain technology. In 2018, TE-FOOD International has established in Germany, but the company's history actually has begun since 1996 from Erba 96 Ltd, which is based in Budapest, Hungary. Besides Erba 96 Ltd, TE-FOOD International has also had all knowledges and expertises from other two member companies, TE Ltd from Vietnam and Triblock Ltd from Hungary. Today, TE-FOOD has representatives and partners in 20 countries and from all continents from Asia to Europe, Australia, America, and Africa. Our staff are about 43 people. It is not a big number, but we are very proud of having excellent colleagues and great international team speaking in 5 languages. With experiences more than 20 years in the international market, we have different solutions for many industries, including manufacturing, assembling, logistics, banking, and retailing. In May 2020, TE-FOOD collaborates with GE Aviation and Microsoft for tracking and tracing the aircraft engines based on blockchain technology. This system helps GE Aviation to manage all the traceability data of airplane engine parts from the raw products to the final engine and its maintaining process. Blockchain enables collaboration for solving industrial challenges, allows paper-based records to be digitalized, stored, and serialized for real-time access and authentication. An airplane engine or other industrial products are constructed by a lot of parts, each part from different suppliers, so the system needs to collect all the required data of these suppliers to input into the system. Then, all of the data transferred to the next step in manufacture. In here, every step will be recorded. For example, the personnel who receive parts, assemble parts, timestamp, and next destination, etc. Finally, B2B customers receive the products can see all the information from the supplier to its final destination. In November 13, 2020, TE-FOOD and GE Aviation developed the apps which is called Wellness Trace to support the controlling of the COVID-19 epidemic. The first project was in the Albany International Airport in New York, United States. To expand the success, the application TrustOne has been developed by TE-FOOD with GE Aviation and Eurofins for controlling COVID-19 for sport events, cruise line, airlines, and different offices, facilities in many countries from EU, US, and Persian Gulf. The main function of TE-FOOD is in the food field. We have the livestock and epidemic antibiotic management. This system helps the authority has the correct number of livestock in real time, and they can deliver the action immediately if there is a notification of epidemic that happen in the farm. Fresh food and processing food traceability system helps the consumers see the way of the food flowing from farm to the table, and also helps the manufacturer or the processor can manage their internal controls and processes. Many supply chains in the world request the TrustOne or the global standard one in order to exchange information in the same way. TE-FOOD has obtained both certifications from EU and Vietnam authorities. TE-FOOD had its own blockchain system called TrustOne, which is a secure and scalable public permission blockchain built on HyperLedger technology. Today, the TrustOne is one of the top 15 blockchains by daily activity. With presenting in 20 countries, today TE-FOOD has served a number of business customers around the world, from smallholder farms to huge international retail chains. The implementation also includes training, marketing activities, and legal advices. There are some real cases using TE-FOOD technology. TE-FOOD was implemented with governmental backing in 2016 for pig, poultry, and eggs traceability. The system is used by more than 3,000 of smallholder farms, commercial farms, agent collectors, food producers, slaughterhouses, wholesalers, market traders, retailers, veterinaries, policemen, government and academic representatives from 21 provinces in south of Vietnam. The livestock management and epidemic control system enables government bodies to get the real-time, deep insight of the livestock status, the spread of the disease. Farmers get quicker response to their problems, for example, illnesses or death, through the system. The system also assists authorities to plan preventive actions in certain areas to mitigate the damage and establish livestock movement control by issuing and enforcing virtual transport permissions by QR codes. Vinamilk is one of the biggest dairy companies in South of Asia. As each organic milk product, it has a unique QR code. TE-FOOD provided an industrial-grade product serialization solution to print unique QR codes on the conveyor belt up to 100,000 products per packaging session. And TE-FOOD also used by Auchan, a retail group have branches in 15 countries. At this moment, the implementation is in France, Italy, Portugal, Russia, and Hungary. Auchan plans to extend TE-FOOD system to 6 more countries and over 1,000 food products by 2022. Next is Migros. The largest retail chain in Switzerland implemented TE-FOOD to have more insight and control over their fresh fruits and vegetables supply chains, as well as to reduce food waste in their grocery stores. And Friend Corp, an Australian commodity company, implemented TE-FOOD at its Canadian subsidiary for transparent fuel to canned beer traceability. TE-FOOD had just implemented the internal traceability production process for Coffee, a company produces ready-made frozen dishes from seafoods, vegetables, fruits to export to US, Japan, and EU markets. This system is very flexible to control the wide range of products with the most complex process. Thank you very much for your valuable time and hope to cooperate with you in the future.